Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain about the datum axis in Creo. The datum axis is used in the axis alignment in the assembly environment and also in the mechanism environment for slider connection, pin connection and cylinder connection. Okay, let's get into the video. And now I'm in the assembly environment and now I'm going to explain how to create the axis. First, select the axis and let me select this top plane. And now I have two drag handles here. Just select this and I'm going to drag it to this plane. Just select and drag it to the right plane. And this one I'm going to drag it to the front plane. And now you see that an axis is created at a distance of 117 from the right plane and 250 from the front plane. And currently it is in normal. If I select the through, my axis will be passing through the top plane. Let me select normal such that my axis is perpendicular to the top plane. And now I'm going to select the top plane and holding down the control key, select this front plane. And now you see that my axis is created at the intersection of the top plane and the front plane. And now I'm going to click on the assemble command and now I'm going to import the rack part, which is used in the rack and pinion mechanism. And now I'm going to select the axis which I have created and then the axis of the rack. And then select this plane and this plane. And now I'm going to set this as a slider mechanism constraint and then give a check mark to it. And now if I select the drag components and just select this, and now my slider connection was successfully created with the help of the axis. So this is one of the important use of the axis. It is used in the slider connection and in the pin connection and also in the cylindrical connection. If I just drag this cursor here, it shows that it is AA1. And here AA stands for assembly axis. In Creo, an axis is automatically generated when you create a circular extrude feature or a hole feature or a revolve feature. Let me explain how. And now I have created an arc like this, and if I select the revolve command, and now you see that it automatically creates an axis here. And also if I select the hole command, let me place this drag handle here and then give a check mark to it, and now you notice that an axis is also automatically generated with the hole feature. Similarly, if I just draw a circle and then click on the extrude command, and now you see that an axis is automatically generated. And now let me explain the other way of creating the axis. Select the axis and here I am going to select this face and holding down the control key, select this adjacent face. And now you see that an axis is created here. And if I select the display option, you can adjust the size of the axis. Let me drag this like this, and now my axis is clearly visible. You can also use the reference feature to select any reference and your axis will be adjusted to the reference you have selected. And in the properties tab you can rename it. Let me explain the other way. Select the axis command and I'm going to select this point and then this vertex point. And now you see that my axis is created from the two vertex point which I have selected. Similarly, an axis can be drawn from the 2D sketching environment also. For example, if I am drawing to draw a rectangle here, a center rectangle, and then I am going to use the point command, that is the 3D point. For creating an axis, we should not use a 2D point. I am going to select the 3D point and then give a check mark to it. And now if I select the extrude command, and you notice that an axis is created from the point which I have selected towards the direction of the extrude. And this is the use of the axis command. For more additional videos related to the concepts in mechanical engineering and design, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.